GEP Solutions started in Singapore actually way back 2011. Started as an IT service provider, then later on it evolves as an IT solutions provider. Then just last year, it grows into a business solution provider. We have offices in Brazil, we have one in US, and currently we are starting up here in the Philippines.
Digital transformation is really about a strategy for the future. Why is it so important? Number one, it's a few things. Number one, it's about the future, it's about survival. So just because we're successful today, it doesn't mean we're successful tomorrow. So survival for tomorrow really requires a vision, very clear to see the future. Today, customers are all getting smarter. They have information that more than us as a seller. So if they have more information, they have more options and they can make better choices. And we need to make sure that we are right there among their best options.
Actually, dito sa Pilipinas kasi way behind tayo sa technology. And then maraming mga maliliit na company dito, hindi sila nakakasabay sa digitalization. The problem is, wala kasing masyadong budget yung maliliit na company. So that's where GEP Solutions comes in. GEP Solutions act as the bridge between the small and medium enterprise and the digitalization.
Yung Rotary Club of Commonwealth or yung buong Rotary, hinihelp namin yung mga small and medium enterprises para i-adapt yung digital transformation. Kailangan mag-adapt na ng society through sa mga businesses. Maganda yung outcome. Yung mga speakers natin from international and local, I think maraming natutunan yung mga nagdalo dito sa event na to.
Let me introduce you guys to Temi. Temi is the personal robot which helps people and provide real value at home.
Hey Timmy, play some music.
I love it here. It's so great. First of all, thank you for having me. I've been meeting a lot of different people from many different industries, so that's what I like mostly. It has a very large variety of different industries and verticals, and I hope we can really focus on the Philippines coming soon with Temi. We'll just wait and see.
Every now and then, we come across an idea that's worth pondering on.
He gave us the iconic white and orange mobile FM radio booth, or more popularly known as the Witch Bus. He utilized aerial and underwater drones in delivering the news to provide a broader and deeper perspective. The youngest KBP Golden Dove Lifetime Achievement Awardee, the CEO and President of BMPI UNTV, Dr. Daniel Razon.
We are always thankful for the opportunities that are given to make a difference in people's lives. We at GEP Solutions is more than willing to be your partner on this journey. Welcome to GEP's Rocket Boosting Your Business through Digital Transformation.